Hi, I'm Chris, the owner of Create, and today I would like to talk a little bit about the green dilemma. Society has placed more emphasis on sustainability, and this has resulted in companies making green promises with products that tout eco-friendly or responsibly made. But actually, almost all products require the extraction of natural resources and cause wastes and emissions. While repurposed woods and steel are more sustainable, even if the original harvesting is not, plastics are the worst as most of them end up in landfills. 5 of the 7 commonly used plastic types are almost never recycled, and what is recycled is actually downcycled into lower quality products. We need to stop promoting the belief that mass consumerism can continue with consumers thinking everything we throw away can be recycled. This puts people's conscience at ease and makes recycling a feel-good activity that may result in more consumption, not less. Instead of selling as many green products as possible, we should try to redirect society to consume less and value more. The reality is that waste reduction and reuse are more important than recycling. We should focus on keeping things out of landfills. Yes, recycling has a place, but not buying and using something you already own is the best way to reduce carbon footprints. We should deconstruct our consumer society, but that goal stands in direct contrast with current economic principles to sell more. We need to find a new balance that can make business sense to companies, as well as allowing them to cause less environmental harm. We think there could be 2 acceptable yet environmentally viable opportunities. We dub them long cycling and fixed cycling. In the case of long cycling, we want to educate consumers to use products for longer times. Remember that the best recycling is keeping goods out of landfills. If companies design with more premium and durable materials such as metal, glass and wood, we can extend their life cycles. Superior materials are also easier to repurpose, so we can keep whatever we build out of the waste cycle for longer times. Yes, the upfront cost is a little higher, but consumer goods will have an improved quality and user experience. The price increase will also offset some of the losses incurred by not selling seasonal goods. Product design can further promote long-term use by designing goods with longevity in mind. Items can gain character and cachet the longer they are used, similar to how leather jackets get cooler the more you wear them. The eco-conscious consumer of today will be proud to show off a high-quality product that tells a green story the longer you use it. We replace products when they become technologically outdated or break down. With fixed cycling, we propose to anticipate these problems by designing products with modularity in mind. The goal is to only replace a broken component or module rather than trashing an entire product. In many cases, we discard items that are still 90% operational just because of that one part failing on us or that one technology being outdated. Fixed cycling also allows companies to redirect their revenue streams towards selling replacement components and by adding repair and refurbishing services. Fixed cycling will complement long cycling as materials used have longer life expectancies that can be repurposed at the end of life. So, any strategy solely based on selling green products will have to reckon with the fact that all products have environmental impact. Reality is that the greenest option will always be not throwing things away at all. Long cycling and fixed cycling allow companies to create a net green strategy by reducing and avoiding unnecessary business activities while working with materials that are better suited for recycling. Yes, it will take effort to convince the consumer to spend more upfront, but if products not only create a premium user experience, but also increase the user's eco-friendly cachet and standing, we feel it may be worth exploring. Thank you for taking the time, and please like and subscribe if you found this to be of interest.